Dear friends, in this episode we are going to discuss acid, bases and salts. What is acid? Acid are the chemicals which can donate a proton or accept an electron pair in chemical reactions. Acids have pH less than 7 and changes color of blue litmus paper to red. Example: hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, that is HCl and H2SO4. What is base? Bases are the chemicals which can accept a proton or donate an electron pair in chemical reactions having pH more than 7, and bases changes color of red litmus paper to blue. Bases which dissolve in water are called as alkali. Example: sodium hydroxide, NaOH. What is salt? Salt is a mineral or any neutral compound containing cations, that is positive ions, attached with anions, that is negative ions. Example: sodium chloride, NaCl, also known as common table salt. Acid and bases reaction with metals. Metal react with acids to form salt. Like acid plus metal gives salt plus hydrogen gas. Similarly, metal react with bases to form salt. That is, base plus metal gives salt plus hydrogen gas. Reaction of metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates with acids. Metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates react with acids to form salt, water and carbon dioxide. That is, metal carbonate plus acids gives salt, water and carbon dioxide gas. Example: Na2CO3 plus 2 molecule of HCl gives 2 molecule of NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Similarly, metal hydrogen carbonates plus acid gives salt, water and carbon dioxide. Example: NaHCO3 plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Reaction of acids with bases. Acids react with bases to form salt, water, that is salt and water, is called as neutralization reactions. Means this reaction of acid with bases to form salt is called as neutralization reaction. That is, acid plus base gives salt plus water. Reaction of acids with metallic oxides. Acids react with metallic oxides to form salt and water. That is, acid plus metallic oxides gives salt plus water. Reaction of bases with non-metallic oxides. Non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature, so these react with bases to form salt and water. That is, base plus non-metallic oxides gives salt plus water. Acids or bases in water. When acids dissolve in water, they produce hydrogen ion, that is H plus, or hydronium ion, that is H3O plus. So HCl plus H2O gives H3O plus plus Cl minus. and H plus H2O gives H3O plus. When bases dissolve in water, they produce hydroxide ions, that is OH minus ion. So NaOH plus H2O gives Na plus OH minus. Reaction of acids or bases with water are highly exothermic. Process of mixing acids or bases with water decreases concentration of ions per unit volume. This process is known as dilution. Strength of acids or bases. Strength of acids depend on number of hydrogen ions produced, and strength of bases depends on number of hydroxide ions produced. A universal indicator present on pH paper is used to find strength of acid or bases. pH scale. It is a scale used to measure hydrogen ion concentration in solution. pH, also known as change of color of litmus paper in common language. Meaning of P in pH is potenge, which is a German word whose meaning is power. pH scale measures pH from 0 very acidic to 14 very alkaline. pH of neutral solution is 7. pH of acidic solution is less than 7. pH of basic solution is more than 7. How to measure pH of acid and bases? You can measure pH of acid and bases with the help of litmus paper, pH paper, and commercially available pH meters. If you want to know how to measure pH of any chemical substance, that may be acid, bases or neutral, you can watch our video on YouTube channel Chemistry Notes Info. What is acid rain? If pH of rainwater is below 5.6 on pH scale, then that rain is called as acid rain. Some naturally occurring acids are vinegar, which means naturally occurring acid is acetic acid, whose natural source is vinegar. Another is citric acid, whose natural source is orange. Another is tartaric acid, whose natural source is tamarind. Another naturally occurring acid is oxalic acid, whose natural source is tomato. Lactic acid, sour milk or curd. Citric acid in lemon. Methanoic acid in ant sting, and methanoic acid in nettle sting. Common salt. Common salt is very important raw material for production of other daily use materials, that is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is obtained by passing electricity through aqueous solution of sodium chloride brine. Process is known as chloralkanization. 2 molecules of NaCl in aqueous solution plus 2 molecules of water H2O gives 2 molecules of NaOH plus Cl2 plus H2O. Bleaching powder CaOCl2. Bleaching powder is obtained by reaction between chlorine and dry slacked lime CaOH2. So CaOH2 plus Cl2 gives CaOCl2 plus H2O. Uses of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is used in many things, like for bleaching wood pulp in paper industry, for bleaching washed clothes in laundry, for bleaching cotton and linen in textile industry, used as oxidizing agent in chemical industries, used as disinfectant for drying drinking water to kill germs. Baking soda. Chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. It is obtained by reaction between sodium chloride, water, carbon dioxide and ammonia. That is NaCl plus H2O plus HCO2 plus NH3 gives NH4Cl, ammonium chloride plus NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Uses of sodium hydrogen carbonates. To produce baking powder, mixture of baking soda plus mild edible acid like tartaric acid. Used to produce antacid, neutralize excess acid in stomach to provide relief from acidity. Used in soda acid fire extinguishers. Washing soda. Washing soda is obtained by heating baking salt, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate, and recrystallization of sodium carbonate produced above. 2NaHCO3 sodium hydrogen carbonate plus heat gives Na2CO3, that is sodium carbonate plus H2O plus CO2, that is Na2CO3 plus 10H2O gives Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. I try to name molecule in simple way, like NaHCO3 instead of its name sodium hydrogen carbonate, so it is easy to write reaction when I am speaking, because it is an podcast. Okay. Uses of washing soda. Used in glass, soap and paper industry. Used in preparation of sodium compound like borax. Used as cleaning agent. Used for removal of permanent hardness of water. Crystal of salt. Presence of fixed number of water molecules in one formula unit of salt is called as water of crystallization. Copper sulfate crystals with water molecule, that is CuSO4 dot 5H2O, are blue in color, while copper sulfate crystal without water molecule, that is CuSO4, are white in color. Plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is obtained by heating gypsum, that is CaSO4 dot 2H2O at 273 Kelvin, that is CaSO4 dot 2H2O, that is gypsum, plus heat gives CaSO4 dot half H2O, that is plaster of Paris, plus 3/2 H2O. Uses of plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is used by orthopedic doctors for supporting fractured bones. Thank you friends to listening this episode. This episode is on acid, bases and salts. You can get PDF notes from our website chemistrynotesinfo.com or from our Telegram channel Chemistry Notes Info. You can also read these notes from our website, and you can watch videos on acid, bases and salts and how to measure acid, bases with the help of pH paper from our YouTube channel named Chemistry Notes Info. Thank you to listening this episode.